Okay, I'm kind of displaying the mess. The kids trashed the library, which means they dragged all their toys out, and of course didn't pick them up. So I'm looking at the big mess, and I saw this. That is our 11-year-old Jack Russell. They tucked her in. She's actually snoring. So I'm not going to holler at the kids because that's just too adorable. I didn't want to focus either because I didn't want to wake her up with a mechanical sound. I'll try it again. Well, hi Samantha. Did they take care of you? Alright, thought I'd share.